Little update on my Alliance Paradigm 390. I put a video up called back a couple weeks ago on YouTube, and trying to get into dealerships and get this fixed and some inside stuff fixed where it all comes together like this. And we couldn't get somebody to get us in the next 6 to 8 weeks. So Carter from Alliance has asked me if we could come to Indiana to the factory to have this fixed, this and the stuff with the couch and the skis and whatever else. And I said, yeah, we're gonna head to Florida here middle of September, so he said, well, we can come to Indiana. He gave us a date when to be there, and they said they could knock this out in no time, get it all fixed the way it's supposed to be. And I just can't imagine any other RV manufacturer doing that for you. Say, hey, can you come to the factory? Well, it's going to get me in here in a couple weeks. So I said, well, I've got to stay here in Des Moines, Iowa for doctor for the next 5-6 weeks. But then he said, well, I'll work you in there. And so I tell you, Alliance, you guys rock. And thanks to Carter and Bill Martins, who made a comment on my Facebook post on his video, on my other video. But if you haven't seen that, it just kind of goes over and shows you the things that need to be fixed. But I'm just saying, Alliance, I don't know of anybody else who would do this. Get you in and say, hey, can you come to the factory? We can get this fixed for you. So, loving our Paradigm 390. Thanks again, Alliance. Everything breaks and we have issues, everybody does, but when you got a company who's standing behind you like that, it's awesome. So thanks again, Alliance. And look forward to getting up there and looking through the factory. Thanks again. Love this camper.